Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to on the data savior in vivo phone. So before I start the video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, when to this, you have to go to the setting here, then you have to scroll it down here. So you see here network and internet, so you have to press this one. So you see here data savior, first, second, third and fourth, you see here, so you have to press this one. Then you see here, you just need to press this button. So it is done now. So if you want to off also, you just need to press this one, or else if you want to on also you can on it, or else if you want to off also you can on it. It's your wish. So you just need to on it from there. So friends, before you leave this video, please don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.